The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. On the 12th of February, the year 2021, funeral service for Andrea Bharatt had been held. Andrea Bharatt, father, along with friends and family members, could be seen at the funeral service. This funeral service drew the attention of people throughout the world. In my point of view, it's because of what happened to Andrea Bharatt. Now, for those who might not know what happened to Andrea Bharatt, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to a previous video that I posted that might give you a understanding as to what happened to Andrea Bharatt. Alright? It is said that many persons gathered at the Arima Magistrates Courthouse within Trinidad and Tobago, and it is said that many of those persons were awaiting to show their respect to Andrea Bharatt. And it is said that funeral service for Andrea Bharatt had been held at a church that is located within Arima, that is within Trinidad and Tobago. Now viewers and subscribers, there are more details about the funeral of Andrea Bharatt. However, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and in this video you're going to see many persons at the Arima Magistrates Courthouse that is within Trinidad and Tobago. Alright? Now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to warn you for right now that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. A video that shows when many persons were at the Arima Magistrates Courthouse that is within Trinidad and Tobago. And it is said that many of those persons were there to show their respect to Andrea Bharatt. My condolences to the friends, the families, and loved ones of Andrea Bharatt. Alright, viewers and subscribers, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Alright, so until the next time, uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla entertainment.